The Hong Ky HK-S60 steel pipe forming line is designed and developed by a team of Vietnamese experts and engineers. It is specially used for manufacturing various types of steel pipes serving the construction, interior design, and household goods industries, among others. The pipe forming line consists of 14 machine units, uncoiler unit, shearing and welding unit, accumulator unit, 2 guiding units out of the accumulator, forming unit, high-frequency welding control cabinet, sizing and straightening unit, hot cutting unit, finished product table. The process begins with the uncoiler unit, which is flexibly designed to hold 2 steel coils. The operator can adjust the hydraulic expansion and contraction speed based on production needs. Next, the steel coil passes through the shearing and welding unit, which operates semi-automatically. In the guiding units, the material is accurately directed into the accumulator. The accumulator unit has a storage capacity of approximately 8 tons of material. All guiding shafts are chrome-plated to protect the steel and prevent scratches. After exiting the accumulator, the material is guided to the forming unit. Here, all vertical and horizontal shafts are heat-treated and ground to enhance hardness and surface finish. Following the forming process, the steel pipe is conveyed to the high-frequency welding unit. This unit uses MOSFET high-frequency welding technology. It is also equipped with a weld bead trimmer to smooth the pipe surface. The pipe then passes through the cooling unit to reduce temperature. At the sizing unit, the pipe is synchronously adjusted using a screw shaft system, allowing for easy and precise mold adjustment. Next, the pipe is conveyed to the cutting unit. The cutting table is controlled by a PLC program, offering high precision and control over cutting speed and pipe length. The cutting unit also features magnetic sensors and will automatically shut off if safety is compromised. After cutting, the steel pipe is transferred to the finished product table. This unit is controlled by an inverter for flexible speed adjustment and is responsible for moving finished pipes to the bundling position. With its exclusive design technology, the Hong Ky HK-S60 pipe forming line offers stable operation, high accuracy, safety, and ease of use, delivering optimal efficiency for investors. With over 35 years of experience in machine manufacturing and mechanical product production, HONGKY proudly offers a comprehensive solution, from consultation and installation to warranty and repair, ensuring customers complete peace of mind. Contact our hotline at +84 9090 73505 for support and advice on pipe forming solutions. Or visit our website at hongky.com for more product information.